Want to share moments on Facebook? Let's learn how to add a story directly from your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add a Facebook story on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once you are in your Facebook app, look at the top of your news feed for the Create Story option. Tap on it to start creating your story. Now, choose the photo or video you want to add to your Facebook story. You can select from your recent photos or tap on the camera icon to capture a new one. After selecting a photo or video, you have the option to personalize your story. You can add stickers, music, text, or more to make your story unique and engaging. Finally, tap on the share option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Your story will be now shared with your Facebook friends. And this is how you can add Facebook story on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.